Blind Beauty.
We cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. By an unknown author.
Hello everyone and welcome to Blind Beauty. I'm Jennifer. What I thought I would do today is I'm going to share some hairstyles with you that you can do easily whenever you wake up in the morning and you want to get out the door. You don't want to mess with doing a whole lot. You don't want to take 30 minutes to do them. Most of these hairstyles can be done in 2-3 minutes, if not 5. You know, this is one of them that I have on right now. So if you want to see me do a few hairstyles, I believe there's 5 hairstyles, maybe more, I'm not sure, I didn't count every single hairstyle. So, but if you do want to see a few quick hairstyles, whether you're going to work, whether you're going to school, whatever, I hope you continue to watching. So let's get started. So first off, you want to have freshly brushed hair. You want your hair to be, you know, pretty good and tangle free. You can tell mine is. That's how long mine is. It's just down to the shoulders pretty much. So some people would say that's long, some people would say that's short. To me, I say it's medium. You know, but most people on the YouTube community at least would say it's shorter hair. So now of course you've got the typical plain Jane ponytail. Now how I do that is I just will put my hair back, pull my head all the way back, take my hands, and yes, this is really how I do it sometimes. Take my hands, brush it back at top, and I'll pull it up like this right here. I go from the bottom and pull up top, and then just kind of smooth everything in, just like so. So that is your typical ponytail, okay? Now let's say you want to do something other than your typical ponytail. You want to jazz it up a little bit. Well, that's where taking little clips of some kind, they can be any kind of clip you want. They don't have to be, you know, butterfly or whatever. These are just little clips, little claw clip type things. You can take these, like say you have issues with your sides falling down, for example. Well, you could take these and easily jazz it up. You know, of course it might look like you got little wings there, but you know, hey, it's whatever you want to do. You do you. That's what I say. You do you. Now I'm going to take this and do the other side just so that I'm not looking completely weird. Now I typically will try to go around the same area I did on the other side so that it's not completely, you know, weird. And I go about the same height too. And if I have to, I switch one of them around. Where they are, you know, close to the same depth and all that stuff. Now some people that can see better, then more power to you. You can easily fix it however you want to. Me, I can't see that well, so I have to go more by feel than by looking. So let's pull that out. That's look number 1. Now then, let's take that ponytail out too. You can take those same type clips that I just showed you. Okay, let's do this here. Brush my hair out a little bit more. And I'm going to scoot closer to you to show you this part. Now then, I'll take my hair sometimes and go like right there, right above where the temples are, basically. And go straight back. Do like I'm doing a half ponytail, pretty much. And you can do a half ponytail just like this. Use some of the small elastics. And I'll do a twist twice, push up, and then typically I'll use some kind of claw clip. You can use whatever size you need to, and I might even do 2 different sizes, because I'll try one and be like, yeah, that's not going to hold, like that one there. That won't hold for very long, so I'll do it again. unless I want to go even smaller. Like I can take it right above the arch of my brow. But I have really thick hair, y'all. You might not have as thick a hair as I do, and that is okay. Because everybody is not going to be uniform. We are not all made the same way. Alright, then I'm going to take this here and do that. See, look at the difference there. You've got a little poof at top, and you can even make it bigger if you want to. Just take your hair and pull it just a little bit. Now, alright, you got all this here at the sides and back now. Now, you can choose to leave it exactly as is. So that could be hairstyle number 2, if you wanted it to. Or, you could take another size clip, like this here, and go just like middle of the, like right where your temples are, pretty much, and go straight back. Because there's multiple size clippies that you can use. Now I'm probably going to go the next size up rather than sticking with that little size, because there's one even slightly bigger. Looks like that right there. That's how big the hole is. And I'm going to turn around so you can see here. And I'm going to go right there after I push up just a little bit to get a little bit more oomph. Anytime you want some extra oomph, all you do is push up on your style a little bit before you secure it, and that will help give you a little extra volume and body to your hair. Now you can tell I've still got a little bit on the sides, but it's not as crazy. Now then I'm going to take that one I just put in down, and I'm leaving the one at the top still. Now if you just want to do that in order to keep your bangs out of your way, that's fine. You can do that. I have done that. And then one thing I like doing is sometimes I'll do that, then I'll take a banana clip like this. If you grew up in the 90s, you know what this is anyway. Of course, these are a little different. They're more rounded than the banana clips that I grew up with. In the 90s, we grew up with the more stark, straight-on banana clips. Now then, I'm going to show you what I do with that. Put it on my lap so I'm not having to turn back around constantly. Scoot out just a little bit. Now, the way I did the ponytail before, where I leaned my hair back and did all that, well, I'm not going to lean my head back as much, but reach down, kind of loop my thumbs one on top of the other, grab my hair in one big ponytail pretty much, and just lift it up. And then I don't even leave it like that. I put the banana clip right there at the center of my neck. You can use your spine as your guide if need be. Put it right there in the center. Drop your hair. Then you just pull up the banana clip like you're kind of like you're trying to zip a zipper using two hands. You know. And since I do have that claw clip in there, I'm going to go a little higher than I normally would. Well, actually, it's not one enough. There we go. Well, I've done this before, and there we go. But yeah. And then since I did have that claw clip to give that extra poof, that helped to give me that little extra body. And then I can take the claw clip out, like I just did. And then, there we go. We got a little hairstyle there. So there's another hairstyle for you. I think that's either number 3 or 4. You know, but that right there is something so simple that anybody can do it real quick. You know, you can even do a French braid, which I have a tutorial of that. You know, you could take that French braid tutorial and even just do your sides. Braid your sides over. You know, and another thing that I like to do with the banana clip, like I had, or banana comb, some people call it that, because it is a little thing that has two things that snap together on each, well, one thing on each end, rather. And I will typically do my regular ponytail, and instead of letting it go, I just go ahead and put the banana clip in, get it around it, like so, and then just go ahead and whoop, kind of drop one side, but that's okay. This is not meant to be a tight look. This is meant to be something soft, and it's not going to hold very tight. Now you can use any type of hairspray, any type of gel, whatever you want to, and then you can just take your fingers and poof it up a little bit. Poof it up, poof, 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 poof it up, poof it up. Right there. So, let me know if y'all want to see me do like another straightening tutorial. I believe I have one on my channel already, but I can do another one with my hair longer. I can also do one on how to curl hair. I can do one on how to roll hair. Let me know what y'all want to see hair-wise, and I'm happy to do that if y'all let me know what you want to see. So, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.